The IAGREA portable countertop dishwasher proves to be a versatile and convenient solution for efficient dishwashing in any kitchen setting. One notable feature is its adaptable water source, facilitated by a faucet diverter set, ensuring compatibility with various faucet types without disrupting normal kitchen faucet usage. The 3 installation methods provide flexibility, and the option for a water pipe connection guarantees a clean water source for effective tableware cleaning. Should any installation issues arise, the IAGREA customer service team is readily available to assist. The dishwasher's seamless internal structure, thanks to integrated production technology, eliminates concerns about water leakage during the washing process, offering peace of mind to users. With a large capacity, it accommodates a variety of tableware, adhering to recommended standards for placement. The dimensions of the dishwasher, measuring 16.54 inch in depth, 16.93 in height, and 16.93 in width, along with a weight of 25.35 pounds, make it a compact yet substantial addition to any countertop. The practical design incorporates an LED touchscreen display, angled for increased visibility and ease of use. The transparent glass window allows users to monitor the cleaning process in real time. A thoughtful inclusion is the fruit basket, providing the ability to clean fruits and vegetables efficiently, complete with a soaking function for thorough cleaning. Offering a range of wash cycle options, including heavy, norm, ECO, speedy, infant, glass, and fruit modes, the IAGREA dishwasher caters to various dishwashing needs. The additional store mode ensures 72-hour ventilated storage to prevent odors and maintain dish cleanliness. It's worth noting that the store mode requires manual activation to save energy. The dishwasher's compatibility with pods or powder detergents, especially tablets for long cycles, adds to its user-friendly nature. The IAGREA portable countertop dishwasher is a reliable, efficient, and well-designed appliance, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a compact yet powerful dishwashing solution in their kitchen.